The annual meeting 2024, we welcomed over 100 participants from Japan, including ministers and business leaders, and we engaged all the participants to with the global agenda, including energy transition, climate change, politics, as active participants as well as speakers.
We produce, develop and manufacture a new material called Linex, which is a material that becomes alternative to plastic and paper, and it can contribute to decarbonization.
To join the global network and maximize the opportunity to give the positive impact to the global market.
So I'm a journalist, I'm a TV journalist, so I need to know what's going on outside the world. So Davos is the best place to know the problems and the people who try to solve the problems.
WEF is trying to include more people from non-business politics people, and I was part of the religious leader.
I was interested in what people are talking at Davos, those people coming from the government or business sectors or civil groups, and then how they sort of merge and then come up to the new ideas. And also I thought it would be a good place to know what we would expect in 2024.
AI digitization and the impact of planetary health and energy security.
So my specific aim is to meet people in the sustainability space, climate and biodiversity, and we opened, we had two events. The Climate Consortium, we opened as a co-founding member, and we also did an event. And then, except doing our own events, it's a fantastic opportunity to meet the most relevant and most powerful people, so that we can then shift the needle and really supercharge innovation.
Swissnex in Japan is very happy to host the Davos Debriefing again and offer a window to the world-famous stage in the Swiss Alps where megatrends and solutions were discussed.